Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new type of video I like to call Cooking with Seabass. There's a whole world of cooking out there. It's important for everyone to know that you can cook. It's not the hardest thing in the world, although to chefs out there, I understand y'all are very good at cooking. I couldn't. All I'm saying is that it's important to know and to be able to feed yourself so that when you leave the house, you can survive. So in episode 1 of Cooking with Seabass, I want to start off with something, something that people like, Everyone basically likes it, so we're gonna start with some pizza. I got tomato sauce, 4 cheese pizza. It's not pizza. And pizza dough. For only $8, so it was a steal. It's also very important to have your a beverage when you're working, so make sure you get your cranberry juice, put it in a little wine glass, and you start the process. It's also helpful to have a roller to roll out the dough with. So if you have one, I would use it. That's right. Also make sure while you're cooking that you're not hungry or that you're eating, because the very wise knowledge, if you're cooking on an empty stomach, it's just not going to be as good. So you want to make sure you're full, ready to cook. Obviously, the most important part before you start doing anything is to wash your hands. You got to make sure they're nice and clean so that when you start cooking, you don't get any of that dirt into your pizza, because that just ruins it. So you really, this is what's gonna come in. It's a little frozen. You really need to drink water right now. So as I was saying, you're gonna have like this frozen piece of dough. So you wanna wait for it to thaw. That's a big word, right? Before you can start working with it, because obviously you cannot mold this into any kind of pizza form. Defrost for 6 hours. No way. Okay, it's still frozen solid. Well, it's rotating, so I think that means it's working. The thing you gotta be careful of when you put it in the oven or the microwave is that some parts might start cooking if you leave it in there too long, and you don't want it to cook. You can really use your body heat to, warm it up. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees, so 450. Okay, so once your dough has been properly ready, you want to clear a little space, and you just want to sprinkle some flour down right there. Spread it out nice and. Just want a nice little area so you can put your dough like this. Spread it out, get it ready. Then once it's ready, you kind of just slap your big boys out. Once you get it nice and flat, take your roller, really stretch it out. Make sure it's. You gotta be careful. Try not to tear any of it, because it is a pain if you do manage to tear it. You're really gonna want to make sure that whatever size you make it fits onto your pan, whatever size pan you're using. So my pan size is right here right now, so it's pretty good size already. Step number 2. Move this little pizza. Oh my god. Alright, maybe don't move it out of the way, just move the camera. Stick it on your can. There you go. Gotta open your can. Here's a little strategy for you. Once you get to the end, don't take it all the way off. Leave like a little sliver so you can reach in there. I don't know if you had like a nice scissor. Like stick it in there to grab the lid. You can lift the ladle with your tomato sauce, kind of spread it out. We kind of just make some circles, right? So before I continue, I realized I should probably put it on the pan before I continue this. So we're gonna see if I can manage that. So back to the tomato sauce. You can use it to pour and then also use it to spread out. Gingerly sprinkle it all on there, you know? You wanna, if you like cheese, you're gonna wanna put plenty of cheese on it. It might look like a lot now, but once you get to the end result and it melts down on there, you're gonna realize it's not that much. You're gonna take your pizza, you're gonna stick it in here. It's warm. There we go. Boom. And you're gonna set your timer for like 15-20 minutes, you know? So now all we gotta do is wait. Finally. It looks ready to go, so I'm gonna take it out now. I need a little. You wanna take a pizza cutter? You know, just give it the nice old cut. And there you go. Pizza for a family. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, this pizza turned out really well. Be the best people that you can be. And have a nice day.